Welcome, Dr. Nikki Bechtol, chiropractic physician with Vive. Let's make kinesiotaping easy for those of us at home. In your roll, it is 16 foot long at 2 inches wide. That is done so it's not pre-cut. You can cut it to the size that you need. Simply make sure that whatever area of the body that you are taping, that you wash with alcohol to take off any lotions, and that way we ensure that it sticks and that the adhesive is able to bond to the skin. Again, you are going to cut the edges of the tape. And again, this is simply so that the edges of the tape do not catch on to clothing, or if we're doing an ankle, they don't catch on to socks. So simply just fold your tape and you are just going to cut the rounded edges of the tape. And again, this just makes sure that it stays on for longer periods of time. We keep the tape on for 48 hours. 48 hours allows us to increase blood flow and therefore decreasing inflammation, as well as stabilizing the joint that you are taping. Again, kinesiotaping is very simple and easy to do at home. The tape already comes with 15% tension into it, therefore you don't have to add any extra tension. If you do, for example, the shoulder, you're going to put no more than 50% tension into the tape. Remember, as always, if you feel any irritation, additional itching that occurs to the skin, any redness or swelling, remove the tape immediately and consult your physician before you use kinesiology tape. Again, easy kinesiotaping at home. This is Dr. Nikki Bechtol, Vive Health.